Hi, I'm Linnea, and welcome to my kitchen. I have a passion for bold flavors and creating something delicious. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get cooking. All right, so today we are starting off with 2 different fall cocktails. You can make them into cocktails, you can make them into mocktails, but let's get started. So we have a cold, and then we'll be working on a warm one as well. Today we have the Autumn Harvest Punch. So let's get started. All right, so you're gonna take your orange juice. We have a little bit of lemonade. We have some Pepin apple cider. All right, a little bit of soda water. And then what I love to do is just add a couple fruits. So we're gonna add some oranges. Get them all in there. And then some fresh apples. The tartar, the better for myself. There we go. All right, and then the last thing we're gonna add is our maple syrup. So I add about a 1/4 cup. Give this a nice good stir. Again, this is perfect for the kids. And then just to make it better for the adults, go ahead and add any like bourbon, or you can add apple spice, vodka would be really nice in there. All right, so after you're done giving it a really good healthy stir, we'll go ahead and get it served up. All right, and then I like to garnish it. You can garnish it with fresh rosemary, or what I have here is sage. Give it like a nice, bright, fresh herb flavor. All right. I feel like it needs another little stir. All right, you guys, cheers. Perfect, perfect for fall. All right, on to the next. Let's get our warm and cozy slippers on and make some hot chocolate. All right, you guys, now on to our next cozy beverage. We have our pumpkin butterbeer hot chocolate. Let's get started. All right, so you're gonna grab a pot here, anything that you can mix 4.5 cups worth of liquid in. So we're gonna go ahead and get this turned on. We're gonna add 4.5 cups of whole milk right into your pot. All right. You can go ahead and get started with all the rest of the ingredients because we're gonna bring this basically up to a boil so everything combines, and then you're pretty much done. So what we have is cocoa powder. You're gonna put a little bit of cinnamon in. You're going to have chocolate chips. You can pick anything from dark chocolate. In hot chocolates, I prefer a milk chocolate, just preference, but go ahead and add whatever you prefer. All right, then we have some butter here. I like to use salted. I think it works really nice with chocolate. We have some vanilla extract. We're gonna add just a little bit here of butterscotch. So go ahead and buy any pre-made from the store butterscotch. I went ahead and made my own. We will leave instructions at the bottom of the video. So go ahead and check those out if you'd like to make your own. So, all right. I do save a little bit so we can top our hot chocolate. This is our pumpkin puree. All right. So next step is just bringing this up to almost a boil. Bring it up to a simmer. Grab your big old whisk. Give it a good stir. All right, you guys, now that it's been about 3 to 5 minutes, it's brought up to a really good simmer, almost a boil. Go ahead and turn off your heat. Give it one last good stir. You'll see that your milk starts to expand a little bit as it starts to simmer or boil. Don't panic, just keep stirring. All right, go ahead and grab whatever glass you would like to serve it in. We'll ladle it right in there. All right, that should be about good. Put that there. Go ahead and grab some whipped cream. Top it right off. We will grab a little bit again of our butterscotch. All right, I even like to grab any like pumpkin pie spice that I have in the house, or even your good old cinnamon will work. So go ahead and top that right off. Give it a good little shake. And you're all set. Let's give it a go. Still very hot, but oh so good. All right, you guys, to make this even more adult friendly, go ahead, grab that bourbon again. You can even add rumpelmints, you can add drambuie, any other kind of whiskey, or like a flavored vodka. Vanilla vodka would be really, really yummy in here. But you guys enjoy. Thank you so much again for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and give this video a share. All right, we'll see you very, very soon. Thanks so much.